Hello friends. Well, I had bought this iPhone Spigen's case when I purchased my iPhone XS around 6 to 7 months back, and since then I'm using this case every single day. I have already dropped my iPhone XS several times and it has saved me from all those drops. Spigen is personally my favorite brand for my iPhone cases, and even though this video is not sponsored by them, I bought this case myself and I love these cases, and today I'm going to show you a quick unboxing of this case. So if you have iPhone XS or if you're planning to buy iPhone XS, this could be the solution for you to save your iPhone from all the scratches and damages. So let's see a quick unboxing, and I hope you guys will like this video. So this is Spigen's Ultra Hybrid case and comes in this beautiful packing. So let's open the box and see the case. So this is the beautiful black case that I ordered, and as I told you, it's a hybrid one and it comes in two different parts. One is a TPU part, which is very soft and will absorb all the shocks when your iPhone falls from the height. And other part is a simple plastic framing which will just sit around your soft part of the case and will make sure that the cover snug fits the iPhone. Now let's try installing it on iPhone XS. So first you want to take the soft TPU part of the case and start pressing your iPhone inside the case. And then take the plastic framing and start pressing it from the corners. That's all. Now your case is ready to be used with your iPhone. Now let's see some good few things about this case. First is, if you keep your iPhone on your table, it's not gonna wobble due to that bumpy camera setup. And also this cover has a little bit of projection on the front, so even if you put your iPhone upside down, it will save your iPhone screen from touching the surface. The volume buttons are also good. They are rubberized and feel much comfortable. Also on the other side, you have got the rubber button for your power button, and similar to volume buttons, it is very much comfortable and very soft. Coming to the bottom side of the case, you have got cutouts for speaker grill and lightning connection port. And then finally, there is this camera cutout on the back which fits perfectly around the camera. So if you're planning to buy this case, please use the links given down in the description below, which will support the channel. And that's all for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.